Hi, my name is Phil Clemente, founder, owner-operator of Air Filtration Solutions. This presentation will provide you the knowledge needed to help bridge the gap of costs between the finance departments and the plant operations/engineering department. You see, the purchasing and materials management departments will take into consideration the initial cost of much needed items such as latex gloves, paper towels, hairnets, scrubs, and HVAC air filters. However, HVAC air filters need to be dealt with separately and with more scrutiny because of the vital importance to the HVAC systems and to the hospital environment as a whole. By taking a few minutes and learning basic HVAC motor skills, you will bridge that gap between said departments and save your hospital more money than any bid process ever can. Now, if you're in materials management or purchasing and you're watching this, the costly gap that I am referring to is just knowledge you do not have because you are not like these mechanical engineers. They are out there working on the systems almost every day. They see what the environment has in store for them day in and day out. You don't. And that's the gap I'm talking about. Because all of my competitors will come to your engineers or to you and use specs, nothing but specs. That's fine. I'm not going to focus too much on specs. Specs are going to be there. They're numbers. They are what they are. Everybody has to meet them, the requirements. So that being said, what's not talked about, what's never talked about, is how all their products perform once installed and in an actual environment. Because you could get good test reports, good results from just about any product in a controlled environment in a matter of 2-3 minutes. That's what they're tested. A couple of minutes it takes to do a test on a filter. But once they're in an actual application, the environment they face is anything but controlled, and now they're being left in for months, a year, sometimes 2 years. And what's never seen, what you do not know about, is the effect the elements are taking on these products and how that is resulting in increased operation costs and liability issues. It's having a profound effect on your indoor air quality as well. So I hope this helps. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Now, air handlers are located throughout a hospital. Some are located in a designated enclosed mechanical room like this one. So wherever you see louvers like this, you know air is being drawn in there. And here we have a mechanical room. You see all the equipment, all the duct work, there's air handlers, all kinds of things you probably don't understand, but that's okay. Now here's the other end, looking at it from back to front. You see all the air handlers, all the water pipes. Here are some filters right here. These are your pre-filters, and you see all the pipes there. That's where water pipes. There are some more filters. Now those water pipes, that's where you know coils are, because that's where those water pipes are going. Here is a outdoor mechanical room. It's not enclosed. This is a rooftop, so you see these air handlers here. And right here is where air is being drawn in. 100% outside air is being drawn into this air handler. Comes in through there. Here's the access door, and what you don't see are the filters that are right there, and coils. There's water pipes real briefly. There's another air handler with the air intake right there. You see water pipes, so you know the coils are right there. And this is typically what they look like. They all might vary in appearance, but this is pretty common. Now getting back to your pre-filters, here you have the pre-filters. I'll pull them back. Now there's the most important feature right there, coils. Now this is what we're going to focus on right here. This is all you really need to know about to bridge that gap. So here are water pipes, and again,
Once you see these water pipes, you know where the coils are. The air that passes through coils needs to come in direct contact with the very delicate aluminum fins of the coils in order to obtain designed heat transfer. Now you see these copper tubes. These copper tubes extend to the end of the coils. Now let's get back to heat transfer. What we mean by that is copper is a natural conductor of heat. It removes the heat from the outside air prior to introduction of Freon. So if the Freon is introduced at, say, 58 degrees, then the air coming out of your register should be about 58 degrees. This is efficient heat transfer. If the fins have a layer of dirt over them, it acts as an insulator. Air is not able to come in direct contact of the fins/coils, and you lose efficiency. Also, as coils become contaminated, airflow resistance increases, just like having a clogged filter. This resistance results in poor fan efficiency. The fan may be working, but is not delivering its designed amount of airflow. This has a profound negative effect on energy consumption and your hospital's indoor air quality.
Now you have a basic understanding of coils and their function within an HVAC system. You now understand why it is so important to keep them clean, to allow air to flow fluently through them without obstruction, as this has a profound negative impact on performance and your hospital's operation costs and indoor air quality. So now let's turn our attention to air filters. Conventional air filters. Now to do this, before we get started on this, I'd contact my facilities engineers, find out what kinds of filters are being used, what type of pre-filter, what type of secondary/primary/final filter. Then click on filters, click on conventional products, and navigate from there. Take it all in. You will get everything, all the information you need to make the best selection for your facility's air filters. Please call us if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.